find this. Hold up, who that banging on my door? If a nigga try to ride me, I'ma blow him in the snow. Hold up, don't be blowing up my phone. Sounded like a little hoe about some coke, you fucking hoe. It's Cartier, these diamonds let you niggas know. You see these hundreds, nigga, we blow. Fuck her undercovers, my nigga, into the money. Yeah. She said, Cardi, why you acting funny? Ever since you got some money, you been frontin' on me. Saying I'm on the new cars, the new bras. You so bright, but you so lost. Damn, you let the lean get you so gone. Don't let the drugs get you so gone. Don't let the drugs get you so gone. You so bright, but you so lost.
Alright. What's up with y'all, playboys? Let me close my fucking door real quick. So, we are gonna be switching fucking shit up, bro. Let me fucking float on top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna be fucking switching shit up. And what the fuck do I mean by that? So let me show y'all the P&L. Boom. We had a losing trade. Alright, we are actually not on a... Oh yeah, we took 4 trades and it ended up being 4 losers. This is going to be a trade recap for Monday and Tuesday. So first off, let's start with Monday. So Monday we took 5 trades. This was the PM session. Alright, let me show you guys on the charts. Let me actually fucking... Sorry, I have my fucking... my other monitor fucking hooked up to my trading view and shit. So I'm about to just turn that shit off. Okay, so... going into Monday's price action. Yeah, you see this is a fucking war zone right here, bro. Monday. Yeah. So we took 5 trades. You guys can pause this if you'd like. Just read it if you really want to. This is the trade we took, right? And for somehow, like, oh yeah. Holy shit, that's fucking disgusting. So with this trade, I wanted to. My bias was long on this, right? But as you can see, we entered right around here. We get stopped out within the next few minutes. And if you really know ICT, liquidity sweep, turtle swoop, all that, you'll understand you need liquidity to get swept before in order for you to play that little reversal. But that's not what I did, and that's where I stand. So I entered in. Actually, it's a lot easier if I go here. So I entered in right around here. These were 2 levels of my sell side that I wanted to get swept, and we clearly swept that. That was a manipulation move just for us to move higher, and we didn't actually end up reaching both of those levels of buy side on NQ, but on ES we did. So let me show you guys the levels I was looking at. Was that Tuesday? Yeah. Okay, so it's a lot easier on the 5-minute. The levels I was looking at was... That's Friday, Sunday, Monday, right here. So I was looking at these internal highs right there. I was looking at that one, and I was also looking at this one. Let me go on market replay just so I won't have to scroll off and shit. So yeah, we actually didn't end up hitting it until 30 minutes after market closes. But on ES, we actually hit both of those levels, which was this and this right here. these are those levels. What the fuck, cuz? Okay. Yeah, so that high and these highs. So we actually ended up taking both of those highs on ES with this trade. And it was just a lack of patience, a lack of knowing when my strategy actually forms and when not to push the button. Right? Right trade, wrong entry. It's whatever. Cool. On to the next. On to next. Is this in order? This is in order. Okay, yeah. So, you know how I didn't like my initial bias was long, right? So I ended up getting stopped out, right? And after I get stopped out, I ended up chasing. So, right, my initial bias was going long. I ended up chasing these shorts for us to take out this level of sell side. And I actually ended up taking my full position off. And yeah, this honestly wasn't like the strongest trade because where I shorted, people were buying. If that really makes sense, risk to reward, your entry is everything. And yeah, this was the trade that I took. I don't know why the fuck it's not showing on my trading view. There it is. So yeah, this right here was the manipulation move for us to really move higher, but I decided to play the shorts, and that's honestly not the best card to play. Right? Things to work on: mastering and trusting the fuck out of your strategy, implementing both pairs to coordinate at the same time. Which pair has the SMT? Master the fuck out of my strategy, bro. So it's like it's getting to a point where I'm taking a series of unnecessary trades, right? Like, why the fuck am I shorting it twice? So it's like my first trade, I go long, get stopped out 2 minutes right after putting the trade on. Cool, whatever. On to the next. I go short, chasing the move down to take out the sell side, right? And then I end up getting stopped out. And the third trade, I go back in, trying shorts one more time, thinking that this is just a retracement move. Our initial bias is bearish. Changing bias, right? I ended up taking another short. Boom, stopped out within minutes. Going short again. Overtrading because you lack confidence within the strategy. You need to do more back testing and simplify your edge. That's really something that's holding me back. I try shorts one more time simply because I'm just mirroring a bias. And then finally I go long and I close right at the top, noticing that ES took out those initial highs that I was looking at right there. Boom. And honestly, this day I was like, I'm not trading, like, I'm getting tired of trading options because, like, this is towards the end of the day. The Greeks are starting to kick in. That's a key factor you have to understand. Towards the end of the day, I'm playing a 0 DTE. The Greeks are going to kick in. A small increment cent move is going to decrease the fuck out of my contract. And this is what I'm talking about when I'm switching things up. I just deposited $500 into my TradeEvade account. So I'm about to start live trading futures once again. Right? So that was Monday. Cool, whatever. Next day, Tuesday. Tuesdays, I don't usually trade. But as of recently, I've been wanting to trade Tuesdays. And you see, I'm not even mad about this day, but it was like a few things. So first day, it was a loss, cool, whatever, right? But it's like it was the reason why I even took this goddamn trade. It was fucking stupid. Like, I'm not mad about the 4 losses that I took, but oh damn, this is a fucking war zone right here, bro. God damn. Okay, so market opens right around here. Right, we go down to the 5-minute. Get this out the fucking way. So, right, this is what I'm looking at, right? I'm looking at this, and initially, like, I'm thinking Judas swing, manipulation move, right? Judas swing, manipulation move, and I'm also looking at this higher time frame SMT, 15-minute, right? I'm looking at this to here, boom, we have our SMT, and for some reason, I'm like, yeah, we're not holding this. Little do I know, lack of patience, lack of discipline, lack of confidence, and an edge within my strategy. We actually hold that SMT. We hold that SMT on NQ, and we actually ended up sweeping buy side on ES, creating another SMT right here. Right, another SMT here. We start rallying in the morning, so I mark out this level of buy side we never got to, and that's how we ended up forming that SMT. And I decide to long it. I decide to fucking enter a fucking long position, bro. And this was simply just me forcing a setup, lack of confidence and trusting, lack of lack of confidence, lack of trusting my strategy, lack of following rules, and it's literally just strategy. Like, I'm trading against my strategy and marrying a bias. Like, I'm chasing shit. Like, if you read this, like, stop forcing trades to be there when they aren't. Simply, that trade wasn't there. That call wasn't there. Why the fuck are you entering a fucking long when strategy says buy side liquidity sweep, look to take sell side? Price runs from a high to a low and a low to a high. Vice versa, bro. It's like I'm literally fucking myself over. Like, I'm asking to get analed. And it's like, these are what you're currently struggling with, like strategy, edge, and rules, right? So it's like, I know I have the psychology and the risk management down, but now it's like, I made a video earlier, or not earlier, but like a couple days ago. Let me show you guys. My videos. Damn, 547 views, cuz. That's wild. That's love, y'all. That's love. Holy shit, that's love. Anyways, where is it at? Climbing, yeah, right here. November 19th, climbing a new obstacles. Sorry, I'm a little fob. But yeah, so I'm like, as I said, like, I'm climbing new trading obstacles. One of them being mastering a strategy. Number 2, edge. Number 3 is a set of rules. So it's like, I'm lacking all 3 of those. I know for a fact that I have risk management down. I know for a fact that I have my psychology down. I know what I'm looking for when I get into the markets, but it's like, I have no edge. I have no data. I have no, like, I literally have no edge. Like, I see a fair value gap, I'm like, boom, I'm longing the fuck out of that. I see a fair value gap and I don't even react. It's like little shit like that. It's like, I see fair value gap, I don't even think about it being inversed. Little shit like that. Right. Anyways, first trade, loss, cool, on to the next. Second trade, I'm like, why am I trading against my strategy? Right, so I ended up going short, but it's like, this is where I really got, like, I was like, okay, like, why is my contract losing value? Like, in my head, I'm just like, the Greeks, all that, theta, delta, that shit's kicking in. The IV and fucking Rio was kicking in, kicking my ass. It was stupid. It's like, this really, like, pissed me off, because, like, if I was actually trading futures, this literally would have been a winning fucking trade. So it's like, I entered at 555, right? So 555. Right at the open of this wick. Right at the open of this wick, that's when I entered. Right? We actually had a news candle at 6. I believe it wasn't Jobs Jolts. It was pending home sales. Yeah, so this is what stopped out majority of traders, was pending home sales candlestick. And like, literally, I entered right here. This was actually my price target that I wanted to get. I actually wanted to get down here. So I was aiming to hit these lows, and we actually ended up going towards these internal lows. Low resistance right there. We actually ended up only going towards that. Am I tripping? Oh yeah. Resting south side. Yeah, so we actually ended up going towards that. And it's like, I really need to understand my strategy to its full potential. I'm about to get a fucking thumbs up or some shit. So it's full potential. I need to know an edge and my rules. It's because like it's really just starting to like kick my ass now. It's like, so I'm switching over to futures, applying everything over. I'm gonna be doing one micro. I'm gonna scale the fuck on it. If I see a high probability setup, something that can yield me like 5 handles, 200 points, 3 contracts, right? So it's like I know that I can do this because like I have months, days worth of data of winning trades, losing trades, mistakes, all that. Like winning streaks, all that. It's all like it's slowly like clicking in my head, but at the same time, like once like I actually see this like play out, I'm just like, what the fuck? Right? Okay. Anyways, second trade, cool. Third trade, I'm taking another short position. And this was literally just a re-entry because this right here fucked up everything. Like it literally fucked up everything. So it's like, how the fuck am I buying it or selling it right there, and we damn near at the same price, but I lose fucking $87 on my position. So I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely going back to futures, bro. So then, like, look at this too. Like, how the fuck am I shorting it right there and buying it back with $6 loss? Like, that's what I get for playing 0 DTEs and not looking at the Greeks and all that. And that's like a bunch of shit that I don't even really like think about, that slowly like kick my fucking ass. It is what it is. It's cool. Whatever. This was the initial trade. I would have been up. I would have trailed the fuck out of my stop loss if this was my live account on futures. I would have entered right there. Boom. I see this. I noticed that. I'm taking my fucking position off. I'm trailing my stop loss to break even. And yeah, that's literally it. And then this was literally just a fucking gamble trade. I just got bored. And yeah, I just got bored. And yeah, I know. Oh yeah, boredom trades and all that. Yeah, bad habits, whatever, healthy habits and all that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It's rough. Practice what you preach. You know, fucking, you say you have risk management down, but this is not risk management. And yeah, I just ended up holding this shit way too long, bro. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna be switching over to futures. I'm gonna be doing $500. Hopefully I can scale this into fucking at least 2 bands by the end of December. That's really my goal, because I'm only gonna be doing one contract on a micro. Let me fucking remove all this shit. New drawings will sync into layout. No, I want to trash that shit. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing one micro. That's what, like 25 cents a tick, I believe it. Yeah, 25 cents a tick. $500, 10%, $50. So I'm gonna like my stop. I'm gonna have like I think it's like a 20-point stop. No, 50-point stop. A 50-point stop is $25. So that's 0.5% of my account. So I'm gonna really need to be precise on entries, sit on my hands, wait for my setup, and fucking master the fucking hell out of that shit, bruh. Like, I know I could fucking do this. Like, it's crazy. Let me actually show you guys my fucking futures results. So this is when I was trading futures and options at the same time. And this is just futures right here. Wrong month, cuz. So it's like, yeah, like I had a profitable month, 667, like. But like the thing with me is when I did futures, it was my first time. Like, I would want to trade the Asia session, I'd want to trade London, I'd want to trade fucking aftermarket, pre-market. I just wanted to trade every fucking session, knowing that I can, since with options you could only trade the New York opening to close. But that's where I know fucking me. That's where I know that I can just fucking only trade the New York session, cuz. You see, like, Another thing is I would just like start over trading, because it's not like options where it's like you avoid the PDT rule and trade on a cash account and you're limited to do as many trades as you want with unsettled funds or whatever. With futures, you literally just place a trade, make money, lose money, you get your profits back. That's literally it. And that's another problem is over trading. So it's like over trading is literally just a form of unconfident trades, to really put it into that perspective. So it's like you're taking a long, you get stopped out, then you're taking short, you get stopped out. So it's like you're just right at that brink, and you're just not confident, and you don't trust your trade setup, and you that's why I'm just like master the fuck out of your strategy. Because like, let me actually, so you go long, SL, get stopped out. This looks fucking stupid, bro. Yeah, this looks stupid. I'm not gonna draw it out. But yeah, literally, it's just a lack of confidence within your trades, lack of trusting within your edge, and just not following your rules. Literally, that's it. Right. So, right after May, right, we had this month 667. Cool. Boom. June. One of the worst fucking months I've ever had. I've had a total of 3 bad months this whole year, and this was one of them. This is where I blew my fucking account, and I had to wait. I literally had to wait 3 days for my shit to fund. But I don't know how the fuck I just funded my shit, and I'm literally about to be able to trade tomorrow, because usually there's a 3-day like a 3-day transfer rule or some shit like that. But yeah, one thing with futures is I'll literally overtrade and over leverage. Like, I'm taking 4 contracts on a fucking micro. Like, it's fucking ridiculous. Screenshot all the trades, you need to look over them. This is the reason you stopped it. Blah, 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 blah. Right, this was June 11th, fam. So I really know that I could have the discipline to just sit on my hands, have precise entries, and have like profitable winning like trades with futures. But it's how I react to a loss, and the feeling of just pressing a button when it's not New York session. So it's like, sit on your fucking hands and stop being a fucking bitch. And yeah, so after June 9/26, we honestly, this was a profitable month, right? Like, people would see like, oh yeah, you have more green trades than red trades, but it's like, no. You see this? 16 fucking trades, minus 477, fam. 3 trades, minus 321. Playbook ICT. That's wild. Like, I'm taking 3 shorts, 3 contracts on a fucking short right here, bro. I was up 103, however, closed at 145. I didn't even fucking journal this, bro. None of these are fucking journaled. 16 trades minus $78, bro. Overconfidence. You increase your position size after several consecutive wins and therefore lost a lot. We noticed you had 16 trades today, usually average 4. You weren't maximizing your profits for the day. At one point, you were up $50, however, closed at 78. Like, look at that. I'm literally trading every fucking time window, fam. At one point, I was up 157, however, closed. Like, you see that? It's fucking stupid, bro. It's lack of confidence. It's lack of knowing your strategy. Like, look at that. That was $50 from... So right here to right here, 157, $50, $100 profit loss. We literally retraced to a simple ass PD array, bro. And you're being so fucking emotional. Shit, who even knows what the higher time frame looks like? And of course. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not going all the way back. But yeah, literally, we're gonna be fucking trading futures We're gonna fucking do whatever it takes. We are fucking ready to succeed, baby. $500 into 2K on 1 to 3 micros, and then once I have 2K, I'm gonna be using that 2K and doing around 4 to 7 micros, and then from 2K to 4K, I'm gonna be doing one fucking mini. That's the goal. That's the real goal, is to do one fucking mini. And I know I could get it. I'm here to journal. Fucking, I'm here to document everything, bruh. I also moved my fucking monitor away because it's too much fucking screen time, and I feel like that I'm just overwhelmed with all this fucking goddamn time frame windows, bruh. It's just unnecessary. Anyways, that's trading recap for Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is the real fucking deal, baby. $500 into greatness, baby. Let's get it. I'll catch y'all jits.